Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a copycat Cava bowl. Woo! We're going to put our own twist on it. You can make it any way you want, but this is mine. First, make sure you wash all your vegetables. Right now you're going to add some lettuce. Then you want to add some spinach. And you want to make sure you chop it up really good and make it nice. And I have a mandolin, and my mandolin slices and dices. It does all this fancy things, but you got to be careful because you can cut your hand. But I cut up my fresh broccoli, and it just makes the bowl look so nice and pretty when you layer it the way I'm doing it. So you can add some Southwest corn, which is really good. I sliced and diced some celery and some tomatoes and some onions. And then I also added some cucumbers. So fresh and fulfilling. The red onions, so good. So just add all your ingredients. I added some jalapeno peppers up in there. Look, it had a nice little kick to it. Some green peppers, red peppers. You have to add some grains. So I added some white rice. You can add whatever rice you have on hand, or quinoa, or whatever, brown rice, yellow rice, whatever rice, or no rice. I mean, it's your bowl. It's up to you. Do it how you want. Then after that, you're going to grill some chicken, chop it up, and put it in the bowl. And it's so good. Look at that. It's so fulfilling. You know, we have to make sure we stay aware of what we're putting in our bodies to give us more energy. The older you get, the more aware you need to be. Don't forget to add the tzatziki. Oh, that rhymed. Add some tzatziki sauce, and I bought some hummus. I had red pepper roasted, or red pepper, however you want to say it. Then I sprinkle some feta crumbled cheese on there. Add some salt and pepper up in that thing, and you are good to go. And then look, that fills you up. It feels like you ate a double cheeseburger, but you didn't. And I can eat this every day, twice a day. It's so flipping good. Like, you will not be disappointed. I added some fresh mint. Don't knock it until you try it. Added some fresh cilantro. Don't knock it until you try it. It was so good, y'all. Then I went and I bought some lemon herb salad dressing from the organic section at the store. So good. So make sure you make this bowl. You want to spin. You want to spin it out. Spin it out. Look at that. Look at the spin. Yes, spin. Spin for me, boo. Yes. Spin it, spin it, spin it. So I feel like this is a healthy, inexpensive meal that you can eat that will make you feel amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and check out my other videos and stay tuned for more. Thank you.